I'll go back on my old yard, man. People see my old yard, yeah, where I used to live before my bus. This is where I used to live. Yeah. Right on the veranda, I'm staying right jiggle jiggle, you know. Jiggle jiggle. And wine. Mommy, I'm looking 95. I'm building my little room. Sorry, I'm showing my room on my bill. My cute boardroom. My mother, she built that thing about how she raised chicken. These are my favorites growing up. Jesus, me used to climb chalky trees, man.
What tomorrow may bring. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, big up on the cell, man. I don't know the thing, but good morning. Up and running early in the morning, people. Feeling so energetic and feeling so great and everything, spiritually and physically and mentally, everything. So, why am I really share this video with no people, right? Shenseea put up this video, right? And then she put a caption behind the video where she write a thing, people, and I'm going to just tell you, read through and I'm going to tell you what she write behind this, right? Well, she put up this and she writes to people, listen, she used to live at this place, that's the ghetto where she used to live, you understand, back and forth, meaning she stay yes, from family yard to family yard in the ghetto, right? She said as a single mother, people, she used to do her 9 to 5 as a single mother, and she managed, she help her mother to build up a 1-bedroom boardroom, and that are the room where you say she go in. You understand, people? And what she has said is, people, many people may see her and them thinks that she's just this beautiful girl who just come out and get boss her name Shenseea. But them never know Shenseea is from the ghetto who used to live from house to house. You understand? But she say one thing she know she have was faith. And she always pray and beg God for help her people. And in the end, see them now, look at Shenseea now. One of the top female dancehall artists in Jamaica now, who is striding, you understand, making waves in the US. So the moral of the story is, people don't give up. You understand, and that's what she's putting out the word and the message out there. Say, don't give up, have faith. Because you may never know what tomorrow may brings. You know what I mean? Because as a single mother, meaning the father wasn't taking care of the youth at the time. Father for youth and something. And she have to do her own thing and struggle. And I do her 9 to 5 and everything. And what she said is, people, she was also going to college. And because of financial difficulties, she dropped out of college. She couldn't finish. You understand? Because she finished high school and start college now. But because of the money thing, she couldn't finish college. But now, God bless her with the chance. If she want to go to a university, if she want to go to the biggest thing, she can go. You know what I mean? Now, she have her nice house and now people, you know what I mean? Nice house now, nice cars. Now, she buy her mother a nice car and thing, friend nice car. Now, she just living the life of her, you know what I mean? So, in the end, people, just don't give up. You get me? I say, and this is just a message out there for many people. And we said before even this too, that my struggle was there also. Even though I'm not rich and big like Shenseea, you know what I mean? But still, I'm in a better position, people, than we are used to be before. Because I'm coming from the same place down there in the ghettos also. You know what I mean? So, in the end, people, don't give up, man. Just have faith. Because you may never know when that one thing just knock on the door and it open. You know what I mean? But in the end, just always remember and know that there's an Almighty up above, and all you need is faith to carry you through. You know what I mean? Faith is the most important thing. You get me, as a people? Yo, just have faith and prayer. And don't give up. Don't bother pray to the Almighty today and expect say boom, the door go open tomorrow. No, just have faith and continue to do what they do best. Many people, because them rush and them things say, yo, this is it. They ask for it today and it shall be received tomorrow. It ain't like that. And the Almighty work in different ways. You know what I mean? So when you expect, say, you may be pray for something and expect it to just come there. So the Almighty will work in a different way. You know? And it's there, but it's not going to just come that way. It's you have to push towards it also and don't give up. So remember, NEWLINK are telling them, man, see there, Shenseea, from nothing to really something. Not just she too. Many artists can remember the other day they put up the Mavado video, play people and show now the new place of the boss bill. You understand? Plus him had a place here, plus living at the States and have all of these things. I'm over there coming from a local board house done this too. You know what I mean? Most of these entertainers we see Vibes Cartel, all of them right down there from the ghetto, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man. So you may never know. Just don't think say life is all of that, and it don't have to be so yo because of music or anything, because there's other ways out there that can put you up there to stardom. You may never know. So don't bother even look at yourself and say you're not talented, because NEWLINK a couple years ago I already know that I will be a vlogger right now, you know what I mean, and getting so much followers and people looking up to me, and I never have that in mind. So you may never know what tomorrow may brings. You don't know people. So remember, don't give up, have faith and be strong. So I just want to say blessings and enough love and respect to each and everyone out there, and hope everyone is securing themselves and staying safe and staying inside, you know what I mean, and just be good and be great. You don't know people, if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now. When you do subscribe, please hit that notification bell icon, so when NEWLINK drop a video you will get them. You don't know people, and we say attack, enough love, enough respect, and follow us on IG NEWLINK_production official, follow us on Facebook NEWLINK production, and follow us also right there on Twitter NEWLINK production. Peace, love, respect, attack them NEWLINK. Peace out.